Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Nagaland reports 3 confirmed COVID-19 positive cases. Minister S. Pangnyu Phom informs that the 3 positive cases of COVID-19 detected in Nagaland came from Chennai on a special Shramik express. Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister appeals not to panic. Health and Family Welfare Department cautions public to follow the safety guidelines. And 57,721 people affected with coronavirus cured, and recovery rate reaches to 41.57% in the country. Nagaland has reported 3 confirmed COVID-positive cases, 2 persons in Dimapur and 1 in Kohima. The cases were detected from among the returnees from Chennai. The test samples report was received this morning, which was conducted at a BSL-3 laboratory in Naga Hospital Authority, Kohima. This was announced by Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, Minakol John, during a press briefing held at Kohima today. He said 2 of them are reported symptomatic, while 1 is said to be asymptomatic. He said active contact tracing and surveillance activities are in progress to contain the spread of the virus. Chief Secretary Demjan Doi said the real challenge starts from today and urged upon all citizens to cooperate, not to stigmatize, and respect the privacy of the patients. He said adequate care and counseling are being given to those who are tested positive. The Chief Secretary further appealed all citizens that this is the time to show solidarity and determination to fight this pandemic. Minister of Health and Family Welfare S. Pangnyu Phom has informed that the report of 3 samples tested positive today was received at 5:36 this morning. The minister, while issuing the declaration of the test results at Dimapur this afternoon, said that 2 positive cases, 1 male of 20 years and 1 female 23 years, are presently in Dimapur district, while 26-year-old male is presently in Kohima. He said all the 3 travelled from Chennai to Dimapur on 19th of this month on a special Shramik express and reached Dimapur on 22nd of this month. Pangnyu said during medical screening the female case was having symptoms and was directly sent to isolation ward at COVID-19 hospital. He added that the male did not have any symptoms on arrival and was sent to quarantine center. However, he developed symptoms in which he was brought to COVID-19 hospital isolation ward for his sample collection and was tested positive. He also informed that the other male positive patient was sent directly to Kohima upon arrival. Pangnyu further said that 2 of the positive cases were sitting adjacent to each other in the coach. The Health Minister also informed that the condition of all the 3 patients are stable and are undergoing treatment at District Hospital Dimapur and Chedama in Kohima. Chief Minister Nipirio has appealed to citizens not to panic. In a tweet, Rio said, "We need to handle it with utmost care and responsibility." Rio said that the situation is closely monitored and necessary action of contact tracing and containment measures are being taken. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Bulletin also appealed to the people of the state to maintain calm amidst coronavirus pandemic. Maintaining that the virus is here to stay, Bulletin said the only way to stay safe is adhering to self-discipline and cooperating with the frontline warriors who are tirelessly working as our shield. With the detection of 3 positive COVID cases in Nagaland, the State Health and Family Welfare Department has appealed to the public not to panic, while at the same time continue to be cautious and follow the safety guidelines issued from time to time. In a press release, the department stated that the infected persons and their families at this juncture need prayers and support and not discrimination and stigmatization. The department further appealed all to join hands to support the frontline efforts of the workers. The department also reiterated not to spread any unconfirmed news items or messages in such trying times. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. Health and Family Welfare Ministry said that a total of 57,721 people affected with coronavirus have been cured and the recovery rate reached to 41.57% in the country. During the last 24 hours, 3,280 people have recovered and 6,977 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported, taking the total number of cases to 138,845. This is the highest spike in the fresh cases. Health Ministry said 154 deaths have been registered in the last 24 hours, taking the nationwide toll to 4,021. Meanwhile, in Nagaland, the total number of samples screened today is 1,331 and number of results received is 1,046, out of which 1,043 tested negative and 3 positive cases. The number of samples sent after 3 p.m. yesterday till 3 p.m. today is 265, while the number of sample results awaited is 285. Meanwhile, all the 35 number of samples sent to TruNat tested negative. The number of persons presently at facility quarantine is 2,831, while 7,004 persons are out of home quarantine. The total screen done today is 1,783. The special train from Haryana ferrying 378 returnees from Nagaland arrived Dimapur on Monday morning at 10:30 a.m. The returnees of Mon, Beren and Dimapur, comprising of 288, were taken to Agri Expo side for undergoing mandatory security protocols. The returnees of other districts, 90 of them, were sent to Kohima in 4 buses after screening by the surveillance team at the railway station. In view of the operation of Shramik special trains to Dimapur carrying stranded persons from other states due to COVID-19 related lockdown, all vehicular traffic will be regulated 1 hour prior and 3 hours post-arrival of the special trains. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime and PRO Dimapur in a release stated that the designated route to be regulated will be from Dimapur railway station to Agri Expo, 4th mile, via Traffic Control Zone 1, Hotel Techa Fort through under the flyover, Burma Camp Junction, Veterinary Junction, Old Tansuri Bridge, Purana Bazar Junction, TK Service, 2.5 mile to Agri Expo, 4th mile. Dimapur Police has appealed all for necessary cooperation in the interest of public safety. In Nagaland, the domestic flight services scheduled to resume today after a gap of 2 months have been cancelled till Wednesday. Dimapur Airport Authority officials said this was done as per the directive of the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, cancelling all inbound and outbound flights from Kolkata. However, the resumption of flight services in Dimapur will be known only on Wednesday. Reports said that domestic flight services at Kolkata airports were deferred as West Bengal was busy managing the damage caused by cyclone Umpun. Meanwhile, domestic flights in the country have resumed operations today, except in Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Chairman Airport Authority of India, Arvind Singh, informed that airports in the country are fully prepared for the flight operations, with all arrangements made at the airports to ensure contactless boarding to prevent any chances of contagion. Eid-ul-Fitr is being celebrated across the country today amidst COVID pandemic. President, Vice President and Prime Minister have greeted the people on the occasion of Eid-ul-Fitr. In his message, President Ramnath Kovind said, the festival is an expression of love, peace, brotherhood and harmony. He said on this occasion, people reaffirm the belief in sharing and caring for the most vulnerable sections of society. In his message, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu hoped that the noble ideals associated with Eid-ul-Fitr will usher in health, peace, prosperity and harmony in the lives of people. In his message, Prime Minister Narendra Modi hoped this special occasion furthers the spirit of compassion, brotherhood and harmony. Modi wished for everyone to be healthy and prosperous. Meanwhile, Nagaland Chief Minister Nipiril and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Button have extended greetings to the Muslim community in the state on the occasion of Eid-ul-Fitr being celebrated today. In his greeting message, Rio wished all the celebrants a happy and safe Eid, while Button wished that the special occasion may fill their life with happiness, peace and prosperity. And now 20 News, here are the main points again. Nagaland reports 3 confirmed COVID-19 positive cases. Minister S. Pangnyu Phom informs that the 3 positive cases of COVID-19 detected in Nagaland came from Chennai on a special Shramik express. Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister appeals people not to panic. Health and Family Welfare Department cautions public to follow the safety guidelines. And 57,721 people affected with coronavirus cured. And recovery rate reaches to 41.57% in the country. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.